that indeed there are defaults. Any constitution cannot be perfect. Even the American Constitution was amended. In fact, it was amended much earlier than ours. I'm sure Honorable Baya can recall the first amendment to the American Constitution, because we happen to have had some sojourn in that land. I don't know what we are doing there. I don't know. You have to tell me. So, Madam Speaker, so this is such a time that calls for bipartisan approach. Let me conclude. Madam Speaker, if add me some 2 minutes to
Honorable
say something.
1 minute, please summarize.
Just two. Madam Speaker, as we do this, we must also reflect on where we are coming from as a country. In the recent past, we have had to contend with very, very, very unfortunate episodes. There is the recent remark by the Honorable Gachagua. You know, some of these remarks, some of those outbursts have got the effect of eroding the principle of the spirit of constitutionalism in this country. Madam Speaker, I was just looking at Article 27 of the Constitution. Honorable TJ, you can help me. Article 27, sub-article 4. And I may read it for avoidance of doubt. The state shall not discriminate directly or indirectly against any person on any ground, including, among others, conscience, belief, age, color, origin, and so on and so forth. So if you come out in the open and proclaim that the state is now going to adopt an official policy to discriminate against persons or regions in this country on the basis of how they voted, then what are you calling for? What are you inviting? You are asking Kenyans to start nursing other thoughts. That if I don't subscribe to a political thought, if I am not a shareholder in your so-called company, then I must look for ways of fending for myself, including refusing to obey rules, to obey laws, and to pay tax. Then you will be calling for the rule of the jungle. You will be calling for the state of anarchy in the country. That must be condemned strongly by every other member in this House, regardless of our political persuasions. If you find yourselves in a position of responsibility, regardless of how you found yourself there, you must ensure that you conduct yourself in a manner that gives honor to that office. You must shun those primitive tendencies, regardless of...
Thank you, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi. Honorable members.